Today I'm going to show you how to replace a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Foglight. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to pry this off, which is held in by these tabs, which are in here.
Now we're going to unscrew these three screws.
Okay, so the next step is to replace this. So you'll see a little clip on the side which you'll press in and take this out. And then you get your new fog light and put that in. And we got this for $24 at Amazon. And the item number is 8321A467. And then you just need to screw it back in. And then you pop this piece back on. Okay, so to test your fog lights, what you do is you turn your lights on, then you twist this up to turn it on, and twist it down, turn it off. And up here it shows it.